Welcome back to Pump Info News. Here we bring you details of things happening in United States of Biafra and also in Nigeria and in Africa at large. The information we will get for our table today. Now I be say this prophet don't come outside. They can't talk how Simon Ekpa will appear in BiafraLand and become more strong. Other Ogbenge information we will still get. They say the men of Biafra Liberation Army. They say no be small gbege where they go get with the Nigeria Army, police, and all Air Force join together. They say no be small thing o. They say now waiting the kind kpakpa where they happen for that area no be small thing. But along the wrong side, now they come talk say it be like say they capture some people for this side and they also buy some people for the other.
And I see myself in a place called the southern eastern part of this country. And I see myself right there called the Biafran Bight. As I enter there, I am seeing what's called Simon Ekpa surveys in BiafraLand. And I begin to ask myself, I thought this man is right there in Finland. Now what's going on? What's going on here? What's happening there? I am seeing the man surveys and has become a completely different person from who you used to know. Has become so wide, has become so strong and so powerful. I begin to ask myself, am I trying to see clear or what is this? Because a major prophet of God cannot begin to give prophecy that are not in the realm of the spirit. And all of a sudden, and this young man appeared right there in the Biafra land, and there was this was called trumpet being blown, and this was called a marching, and this was called parade, and this was called the people formation from different angles and different areas. And I begin to search, how did he enter here? What means did he enter here? What's going on here? Because a major prophet of God cannot see things that are not pure. And all of a sudden the Lord said, do you remember what I told you right there in the sea that appeared yesterday in form of a dragon? I said, yes, I remember. And the Lord said, that's what's called the word power number one. My God. These people are there now, the word power now? Or time is coming for word power shift? What's going on? The Lord said, this is what he has revealed to me, because the time is ticking for what's called by fire, by force. Is this going to be the thing that God has shown me 4 years ago? Did I begin to ask myself, is there going to be war? And the Lord said, not war, but something very dangerous and unthinkable that no man will agree to embark into war, but rather to come to agreement, rather to come to pinpoint, rather to come to resolving the issues. And what I begin to see.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you have watched that video, Simon Ekpa will show up in BiafraLand in this prophecy as he take talk. I want us to watch the video of waiting they happen for inside Okigwe, and we will see how they go for inside that area. Please, as you watch this video, maybe make sure say you they share them so that other people will get the information and know how they go. Remember, say information now be the key. So pass up, no hide information, no me and your brother or your sister no get them and know how it did happen. And also don't forget to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget also to follow us on Facebook. Very, very important. Now let us watch the last video and see how it did go.
And troops of the Joint Task Force in Imo State have again dislodged suspected members of indigenous people of Biafra terrorizing Aku community in Okigwe local government area. The area has been under siege by a suspected IPOB leader named Ifeanyi Okoronta, also known as Gentle for Long, attacking unsuspecting publics. We have details in this report.
Aku community has been deserted by residents following the activities of Gentle, who has his terrorist camp in the area, unleashing mayhem to the people. Schools and worship centers have been destroyed by the suspect and his gang members, while residential buildings have been overgrown with weeds. Over the last 2 days, there has been intense air and land attack of the stronghold of the criminal elements, a suspected member of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra.
They're in the bushes
The joint task force afterwards succeeded in clearing and liberating Aku community, which borders Abia State, where the criminals have been using to kidnap and launch attacks on residents and security operatives. Following this pathway with security operatives is a location where the criminals bury some of their victims in shallow graves.
We are here on clearance operation to clear this general area, a part of Okigwe, to clear them of the menace and evil activities of IPOP ESN, so that the general populace can have peace and harmony.
So many arrests have been made, so many clearance have been done. And you have seen, we have visited their court where they passed judgment. Jungle justice have been passed. We have visited their detention center. People have seen it. We have seen where they buried their victims, shallow graves.
The Commander 34 Artillery Brigade Obinze said they are determined to rid the general area of insecurity.
You can see the church behind you. This is a church, a worship place, being destroyed. In fact, like the metal windows, the evil elements remove those windows and then use the metals as fragments in the IEDs they produce to deter us from moving to these general areas.
The people of Aku are free to come back to their homes. But you see, we are all human beings. Of course, some of them are scared, but it will serve them a purpose if they come out and collaborate with the security agencies.
The joint security carrying out the operation is assuring the people of the area of their safety during the festive period and the express commitment of continuous surveillance of the general area to clamp down on remnants of the renegades. Prince Opa, TVC News, Okigwe, Imo State.
Come back, my wonderful people. You still there for Pump Info News. As you don't watch that video, you know, don't see am now. You know, say we don't they talk this and say all this gun with everybody they carry, you know, go solve this matter. The only solution we fit solve this matter now dialogue. Make people come to round table and decide and talk how we will take move forward for inside hold the whole thing. But they no one listening. They choose say now these people carry gun, these people carry gun. We will see where this fight go reach. I beg more na share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.